Hello everyone, and welcome to Reverberations, the YouTube channel dedicated to highlighting historical insights and framing these past moments into our modern day lives. My name is Colton, and I'll be your host during our journey through time and the human condition. The purpose of this channel is to bring heightened attention to previous themes and lessons that we must always be aware of. In the 21st century, we all experience busy and stressful lives. Many of us struggle with overstimulation and shortened attention spans from our continual reliance on tech products and social media, myself included. However, if we begin to live more archaically with honor and dignity, people may start to see lessened mental burdens. Human history contains a multitude of stories showcasing our moralities, our philosophies, ethics, consciousness, and many more subjects. These records range anywhere from the dawn of civilization to the current highly globalized world, as all aspects of the human lineage can be topics of discussion. It is up to us to communicate these vital conversations in our social circles and educational platforms, while aiming to be positive advocates of the rich past and human virtue. People may shrug off most of history as pointless, but every minute detail of the past played a role in shaping the present societies and landscapes. We can understand and act upon the motifs and tropes of human history. The profound tales and narratives are always faintly resonating. All we have to do is perceive the reverberations. Each video will encompass 3 points of emphasis. Firstly will be the detailed discussion of an important historical character or influential event that had an earnest and ardent impact, whether that be through politics or warfare or philosophy or any number of fields. A wide scope will be considered for each remembrance. The first point of emphasis will be the remembrance section. This will account for the historical legacies that should not be understated. They will all contain enlightening bits of wisdom and learning lessons to incorporate into our own lives. Every prolific tale will directly lead into the second point of emphasis, which is realization. During the realization section, the major themes and takeaways from these memorable times will be analyzed and displayed. There are always at least 2 ways of interpreting tales of knowledge and thought. This will be the part where we commence moving these learned lessons over into a more personal, individual manner specifically. The third and final point of emphasis is the reflection section. The reflection period will be the onset of understanding the connotation of the newfound erudition from the past into positive modern behavior. Lessons can only be fully learned once we take the examples and enact those changes into our personal lives. Change can only happen from within, but it helps to have a guiding hand from the past. The hope of this channel is to increase interest and start conversations regarding history and human morality. I am greatly looking forward to sharing this platform and establishing a community with you all. This video was to cover the beginning of the channel, the goals I am looking forward to reaching, and the general layout of a Reverberations video. This is Colton, thinking constantly of the Roman Empire, signing off. If we listen closely, we can hear the reverberations of humanity telling us to remember, realize, and reflect. For our first video, I will be highlighting Marcus Aurelius, the Roman emperor and one of my greatest role models. See you then.